In this video you will learn how to access Punditas AI's filter feature for discussions in Product 360. The Product 360 module within the Punditas AI ecosystem is your ultimate hub for staying updated on the latest developments and innovations across applications like Creo, Windchill, SolidWorks, and more. In this comprehensive knowledge hub, you'll find everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Punditas AI's Product 360 module provides detailed insights into the latest enhancements, new features, capabilities, and usage tips for enterprise products across CAD, PLM, IoT, augmented reality and virtual reality. These include PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Onshape, SolidWorks, and more. Simply select a product from the Select Product drop-down to explore its latest features and enhancements. Let's check out the latest enhancements for PTC Creo Parametric. Product 360 is updated with every major release of an enterprise product, such as PTC Creo Parametric. Punditas AI's Product 360 includes enhancement data for both past releases and the latest ones. Simply select the desired release from the Select Release drop-down. Let's choose PTC Creo Parametric 11. Each major release includes its own date codes, all neatly organized in Product 360. Select your desired date code relevant to the release from the Select Date Code drop-down. Let's choose PTC Creo Parametric 11 Major Release. Ready to explore latest enhancements related to PTC Creo 11 Major Release and revolutionize your workflow? Click on the Go button. Experience the power of Punditas AI's Detailed View feature, offering in-depth information on each product enhancement for products like PTC Creo, Windchill, etc. Gain insights through concise topic summaries, module categorizations, detailed descriptions, related notes and more, empowering you to make informed decisions. Click on the Detailed View button to explore all 152 enhancements available for PTC Creo Parametric 11 Major Release. The Product 360 Detailed View in Punditas AI features 5 interconnected tabs, with the Enhancements tab at its core. This tab highlights key upgrades, optimizations, and new functionalities within a product. Serving as the foundation, it connects seamlessly with other tabs to provide a comprehensive understanding of the product's features and improvements. To view detailed information about an enhancement, click on the entire row or the green plus button to expand its details. Punditas AI provides a concise summary for each enhancement, highlighting key points and changes. For example, in PTC Creo Parametric, the Multi-Body Support in Shrinkwrap feature topic summary offers a quick overview of the main updates and improvements, making it easy to understand the enhancement. Every day, online forums host discussions where users share challenges, propose improvements, and express opinions about products like Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, and more. Punditas AI brings these valuable conversations into the Discussions tab within Product 360, linking them to the module name and summary of selected enhancements from the Enhancements tab. By collecting content from forums like PTC Community, MCAD Central, 3D CAD Forum, and others, Punditas AI makes it easy for users to explore relevant discussions and gain insights. To access the Creo filter feature, simply expand or open the side navigation bar by clicking the arrow button or click on the filter button. Here is the left pane with all the filter options: filter by search type, filter by published date, filter by relevance, and filter by community forums. Let's explore each filter type one by one. First, let's talk about filter by search type. Users can filter discussions by search type using options such as any of the words, all the words, or exact phrase, based on the selected enhancement within the module. Any of the words means at least one word from the summary of the selected enhancement or the module name should be present in the discussions. All the words means all the words from the summary of the selected enhancement and the module name must be present in the discussions. Exact phrase means the summary of the selected enhancement under the module name must match exactly with the content of the discussions. Here is an example of the filter by exact phrase. 408 discussions match the exact phrase. Now, let's explore the second filter types: filter by published date and filter by relevance. Users can filter discussions either by published date or by relevance. For relevance, users can filter discussions by module name and summary for selected enhancements under the module. With the filter by relevance, we can view the most relevant discussions. Here is an example of a discussion that is relevant to the module name, Assembly Design. Now, let's explore the last filter type, filter by community forums. Users can filter discussions by community forums within the selected enhancement under the module. For example, if we select the Community 3D CAD forum, we have 79 discussions available for the 3D CAD forum community. With Punditas AI's filter feature, you can quickly access discussions from your favorite community platforms, enhancing productivity and saving time. Streamline your search and get straight to the content that matters most. Use filter feature for quick access to Creo discussions. Save time by focusing on your preferred community platforms. Streamline your search to find the most relevant content fast. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.